Hey everyone, it's me, Mehak Bhardwaj, and welcome back to the book review videos. So yes, I'm back with my book reviews, and I think it's been like 1 month that I have not posted anything about my books because obviously I was reading a book, so I was not able to review any book. Yeah, it's very simple. So in this video, I will review one fiction, and the fiction I am gonna review is a whole series. It's a like part one, part two, part three, part four, part five, like this. And then the second book is like fiction, non-fiction, both. Matlab, it's like fiction plus non-fiction. So it's story with life lesson. It's quite simple. And then the last book is beginner friendly, so don't miss this one. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. The first book is Before the Coffee Gets Cold. It's a Japanese novel, and this book have 5 parts. Like Before the Coffee Gets Cold. Then the second part is Before the Coffee Gets Cold, Tales from Cafe, and then Before Your Memory Fades, and then Before You Forget Kindness, and then Before We Say Goodbye. Yes. So this book have like a 5 series. Ha! If we talk about book summary, so the book is about, it's a very big spoiler. The book is about that you can visit in your past and in your future. Yes. There is a cafe called Funicula, I think so. And you just have to sit on that chair and you just have to remember that particular date and you can visit your past and in the future. Yeah, the book is about that. And the stories like the part one, part two, part three, part four, part five is every like till the part fifth, the book is connected. You cannot read the book in just one go. Yeah, it's alright because I was also not able to read the book in just one go. So you can read book like you just can read 2 books and then after like take some break and then after that you can read two, take some break, then complete the last part. Yes, it's very simple. But the book is very good and quite simple for me. Interesting. The storyline is very nice. And the connectivity. I just love Japanese novels connectivity, man. I am just a big fan of Japanese novels connectivity. Always. Now the second book is The Alchemist. Yes. If I talk about this book, so the book is basically about, if you know that Shah Rukh Khan dialogue, very famous dialogue. That said, किसी चीज को इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो कि पूरी कायनात उसको आपसे मिलाने की कोशिश में डूब जाए. Yeah, this book is same because in this book there's a boy who is looking for his treasure, and now you have to read the book to know how he just find his treasure. Yes, it's really important. The book for me, the book is very quite average. Yes, very quite average. So if you're interested, then please read. Otherwise, it's totally upon you. I'm not forcing you to read this book. Yes. Now, last but not least, the daily story. This was the book that I was reading last 2 months, and I was like, oh my god. Yes, this book is beginner friendly. Yes, if you're a beginner and looking for a book, go with this one because that's how this book is. That this book is like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, like a whole month, and then January 1, January 2, January 3, November 1, November 2, like this. And the book, in this book, there are a lot of quotes, very good quotes, and then explanation. Very small book, like a whole 365 days. Yes, superb, amazing. You can do this. This is actually beginner friendly. If you're looking for a book, please take this one. So yes, I'm done with my books. And if you like this video, comment down. You can DM me on my Instagram directly. And if you have any queries about anything, especially about books, you can talk with me. I will give you reply. Otherwise, no. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all of you.